Hi friends, today we're going to look at chapter 13, all about triangles. That starts on page 163 if you have this math book. If you don't, that's okay, just follow along. There are lots of different kinds of triangles. You're familiar with the right triangle. It has a 90-degree angle and its sides can be different lengths or the same length. If they're the same length, this is an isosceles triangle. It's a special kind of right triangle. It still has a right angle in it, but the two arms are the same length. Every isosceles triangle is not a right triangle because an isosceles triangle can be skinny or wide. All that matters is that it has two equal length arms. This is a scalene triangle. No angles match. It's just absolutely wonky. It's got angles that are different lengths, sides that are different lengths. This is an equilateral triangle. All the sides are the same length, all the angles match each other, and you have experience with equilateral triangles. When you were a little kid and you played with pattern blocks, the green ones were equilateral triangles, and you found out that if you put three corners together, it would make a straight line or an angle of 180 degrees. And if you added in three more equilateral triangles, it would go all the way around 360 degrees. With the pattern blocks, you learned that you could put the three corners together to make a straight line of 180 degrees. But guess what? You can do it with any triangle. You can take a wonky triangle like this and just ouch, rip those corners off. Ouch. Ouch. And put the corners together and you will have a straight line. Let's try another one. I'll take this right triangle and I'll take a corner. Ouch. And another corner. Ouch. And the last corner. Ouch. So if three corners of any triangle add up to be 180 degrees and you can rip them off to make a straight line, what does that tell us about the corners of an equilateral triangle? If it has to add up to 180 degrees also, and all of these three are the same, what does that make each corner? (180) divided by 3 equals 60. So each corner of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees, every single one. Let's see if we can figure out the angles of this isosceles right triangle. We know that this right angle is 90 degrees. And if the whole thing has to add up to 180 degrees, what do we have left? 180 minus 90 equals 90. That means that these two corners also need to add up to 90. And since it's isosceles, they're shared equally. 90 here and half of 90 on each of these. So 45 and 45. Thanks for watching.